In this video, I'll show you a technique for cleaning a mirror. So first, get some lens tissue, piece of lens tissue. Make sure you don't touch anything but the edges of it. And then make sure that your mirror, your optic is secure, usually in its original mount or box is a good way to do it. Then get some high purity methanol. And what we're gonna do is just put this over the mirror, and then we're just going to do a single drop of the methanol on there, okay? And then I'll slowly pull that across. This is called the drag and drop technique. Works quite well. And you can check to see that you've removed the contamination by holding your mirror in some light. It looks like we did a good job. But that's pretty simply how you do it. You don't ever do it twice with the same piece of lens tissue because you just rub the dirt back on it. Just get a clean piece of lens tissue for each time you do it. And just a single drop of methanol is all. If you use too much solvent, then you can make a big mess. That's it.